this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a desktop shortcut for the terminal on Linux Mint. Right-click on the desktop and select Create Launcher. Next, choose an icon by searching for Terminal. For the command, navigate to /usr/bin and select gnome-terminal. Optionally, add a comment to describe the shortcut. When you're ready, hit OK. Finally, choose whether to add this shortcut to your application menu for easier access in the future. And that's it! You now have a handy desktop shortcut for your terminal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.